Good morning, welcome back to the channel. Today is the day we've been waiting for quite a while. We're going to get this roof system raised up in the air and mounted to the top of the posts. First order of business today is going to be to get all the bird blocking put in between all the purlins on the outside truss here, as well as the top two pieces of varge rafter. Now that we have the top two varge rafters in and all the bird blocking in, we're going to start on one side of the trusses and make measurements from one side going up to the peak and then down the other side to make sure that our distance between trusses is the same from the top to the bottom before we nail in our purlins, because once we do that, everything's tied together and square and it's not going to move when we raise it up. Now that we've got all these purlins nailed in and everything's locked together, I'm going to start cutting the boards for the outriggers. The outriggers go out past the posts and they carry the 2x6 that is the eave side fascia. We've got those installed and I'm going to start cutting some blocks that we're going to nail up. They're basically called truss blocks. They're just going to be some blocks that we nail up to the posts that we can set the trusses on before we drill and bolt them. And just in the nick of time, the hero of the day arrives in the form of a friend of mine that owns a crane truck. As you can see here, the plan to raise these up is going to be use the crane truck and a 14-foot spreader bar to grab the back four trusses and then this little Caterpillar forklift on the front truss, and we're going to bring it up. Here's another view of the trusses going up. Now that we got the structure up in the air for the most part, just a little bit of fine tuning before we can set some weight down on the bearing blocks. After we do that, we'll fire a few nails in all the posts. That'll keep things where we want it so we can let the weight off the crane and send him down the road and let the forklift down. Then we'll go around and drill the holes and put in the nuts and bolts that hold it permanently. that we've got the last bolt in, we're going to throw all the purlins in that go from the roof structure over to the truss that we mounted to the side of the shop. Thanks for watching, folks. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and drop a comment below.